A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Sometimes God talks soft to we and we feel nice. But sometimes him talk to we rough. But him not do it for feel him good. Him a do it for feel we own a good. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them, rough or soft, in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Galatians, them chapter 4, from verse 8 to verse 20. In the past, when Uno and God never close, Uno did slave. Uno did slave to the sitting them we call God, but we are not really God at all. But now Uno and God close. I really should have said, now God make it so Uno and him can close. Oh, Uno can turn on back on him and I go follow the weak spirit them we are rule the world and we no power. Uno want go back go turn them slave again. Uno have special day, month and time in the year when uno go celebrate a festival. I'm afraid for uno. You mean say all the work we me do, all the teach, you know, all of that have been nothing. Me, I want Jew. And me now follow the law. Me come in just like uno we are not Jew. So brother and sister, me a beg uno, do like me and nobody follow the law. Uno never do me nothing wrong before. Uno know say, I true me did sick, make me did come preach the good news to uno the first time. And even though my sickness did make things hard for uno, uno never kin up on the nose for me or turn on the back for me. Instead of that, uno welcome me like uno would have welcome one angel from God. Or like uno would have welcomed Jesus Christ. Them time they only did happy. I want to change that. Because me know for sure, so them time they would have do anything for me. If you couldn't take out uno own yeah, them give me, uno wouldn't do it. So me a uno enemy now, because me tell uno the truth. You see them people there, we are change up the good news. Them well want to win on over. Them want to join them, but they no mean no good. What them a try to do a turn against me, cause them well want to follow them with all of your heart. It's good to follow sitting with all of your heart, you know. But only where you follow something good and you do it for the right reason. And that you know do all the time. Not just when me dead with you know. You pick me when me love. Just like our mother got through enough pain when they have baby. I see some me feel painful, no. And me now got to feel pain till uno and Jesus are one. And uno start to behave like him. Me wish with all of my heart, so me could have dead with uno now and talk to uno little softer. Cause me can't understand what GWAAN with uno. And me a worry about uno. God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.